loader's a bush hog loader. I think it's a 246. I think's what it is. This loader come off of a 5088 International. It's got the brackets here. Here's your brackets for your side rails. Oh, there. And it's a quick attach. And then here's the bracket for the front of it. It goes right here on your tractor. You got 4 hoses. I'm going to sell it as is. Non-factory weld right here on both sides here. They put it through the shop and got her looking good right here and here on both sides. I don't see anything else. That's all I always see. 7-foot wide bucket. That's a high lift loader, looks like. Guys, the only thing we can see on this loader right here, these fittings where they're hooking in the tractor's got a little leak or two here. That's the only thing we could see right there. A lot of them do. Not a big deal, but we're going to call it. It's a pretty nice kind of loader now.